Hey, Algebra 1, Mr. Shatter here to start our unit on polynomials. So a polynomial, by definition, polynomial is a sum or difference of algebraic terms. So that could include numbers, it could include variables, it could include numbers and variables, okay? The degree of a polynomial is simply the highest exponent in the polynomial, whereas the leading coefficient of the polynomial is the number that's in front of the variable with that largest exponent, okay? Last but not least, standard form is writing a polynomial from largest term down to the smallest term. Let's do a practice example. So the following polynomial here is not in standard form. Let's go ahead and put it in standard form. Step 1, identify the largest exponent, x to the fifth. So that term goes in the front. And then the next largest exponent would be the third power. So plus 9x to the third power. And the next largest exponent would be the second power. So minus 4x to the second. And then the last is just the 16. That doesn't have a variable on it, so its exponent would be a 0. So this polynomial is written in standard form. So I could ask you what the degree of the polynomial is, and the degree is simply the largest exponent. In our case, it would be 5. I could also ask you what is the leading coefficient of the polynomial, and that would be the number that's in front of the polynomial. Now, actually, there's no number here, so it's assumed to be a 1. So the leading coefficient would be a 1. All right,